Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another new video friends. Today I have many big size monster truck here. See, there is a 5 big sized monster truck and many colorful of toys here. See, there is a many colorful of toys. So friends, I'll introduce all of my toys with you and collect these toys in the monster truck. So friends, wasting any more time, let's go. See friends, at first is a cartoon. See, there is a cartoon drum truck. Wow, this is very nice cartoon drum truck. See, there is a many color toys, many colorful toys. This toys color pink color, purple color, paste color also. And here is many vehicles. See, that is nice and colorful. So friends, this brand new toys, I collect this monster truck here. Wow, that's fixed here. Wow. And next is a wow, under construction. See, under construction mixer machine. That is very nice and colorful. This is yellow color, black color, orange color and red color also. See, this is very nice and big size. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. Wow. I collect here. And next, wow, next is a flying horse. See, there is a flying horse, a small types of flying horse. See, there is a red color, yellow color, orange color and black color also. See, this is very nice and colorful. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. Wow, this is fixed here. And next one is a racing car. Wow, this is racing car. See, this is very nice red color racing car. This body color is fully red and glass color is white. And this wheel color is blue and white color combination. So I collect this in my monster truck here. Wow. And next one is a momentum true car. See, there is a momentum true small car. Wow, this is very nice color combination. There is paste color, white color, silver color, pink color and orange color also. See, the lower portion is fully paste color. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. Wow, that is fixed it. And next one, wow, see, and next one is a big size truck. See, this is under construction truck. Friends, comment in below what is this. See, this wheel is 6 wheel. This is black and white color combination. So I collect this in my big size monster truck. Wow. And next one is a jeep car. See, this is very nice small jeep. See, this is many colors. Wow, there is a pink color, yellow color, blue color, green color and orange color also. See, this is very nice color combination. So friends, I collect this in my truck. Wow, that is fixed here. And next one is a wrap car, wrap 3 car. See, that is very nice and big size wrap 3 car. Wrap is Bangladesh Rapid Force. Wow, this is very nice color combination. There is a red color, black color, green color, blue color, orange color, also many colors. See, there is a soldier. Wow, there is a soldier. So friends, I collect this big size RAV3 car in my monster truck here. Wow, that is fixed here. And next one is a, see, next one is a ice cream trolley. Wow, this is ice cream trolley, sweet candy ice cream trolley. This is very nice and very colorful. And there is many types of color. There's pink color, paste color, red color, orange color also. So friends, I collect this in my big size monster truck. Wow, that is fixed here. And next one is a drum drum. See, that is a drum drum. Wow, this is very nice drum drum. There is white color, paste color, and orange color also. See, these drum types of white color. So friends, I collect this in my truck. And next one and last one is a army jeep car. See, there is a army jeep car. That is very nice and color combination and big size. This wheel color is black and white color also. And this body color is green color, yellow color and blue color. So friends, I collect this big size jeep car in my monster truck here. Wow, that is fixed here. Friends, see, my all of trucks are loaded with many types of colors and toys. See, that is very nice. Wow. So friends, I'll go from here wasting any more time. So let's go.